Another cold day. Mona's thinking about, oh, there she goes. She's going in her house. She knows now that you can be warm in there. Okay, go lay down, Mona. I'll have you in later tonight. Okay, it's a snowy day, and Mona has been holed up in our house. But there she is. She's coming out. She sees it's time to eat. Okay, hold on, Mona. I know you must be super hungry. Okay, I know. Here, watch out. Now put your foot right under there. There you go, cuties, okay? You can come in later. You can't come in now. You can't come in now because Gyro will kill you. Okay, another shot at getting Mona and Gyro together. So there's Mona. And there's Gyro. And Mona doesn't seem to be scared. Usually she hides by me. Gyro, you gonna be friendly? You could have a girlfriend. You can see how thick her winter fur is, because she won't let me do it. Come here. My whole finger goes in here. Gyro, what are you gonna do? Okay, we have a standoff. There's Gyro. Uh-oh. Mona's getting bold. I can tell Mona's stressed. There's Gyro. And what you don't see is Chester, who doesn't really like cats, but he's sleeping. Chester, do you see him? Okay, there's Gyro. He's playing with fire. Okay, so Mona may have to sleep outside because we have 2 guests tonight. First snowstorm of the year, believe it or not. And guess what? Mona is right there. Say hi, cuties. And here's the cutie pie. Happy as a clam. With all this fur on her, it's crazy. Mona, are you ready to go to bed? Or are you already in bed? Okay, 6 a.m. and Mona is standing by the door. She wants to go out. I'm not going to turn the light on outside because I don't want to ruin her vision. There she goes up. Let's see, is she going to go out? Yep, she still wants to go out.